Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In today's class we are going to learn about the layers in the atmosphere, right? So on the picture you can see these are the clouds. Today we will learn about the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of gases surrounding the earth. Keywords: meteor, a small body of rock or metal that falls from outer space into Earth's atmosphere. What is a meteor? A small body of rock or metal that falls from outer space into Earth's atmosphere. Artificial satellite, an object that has been sent into the atmosphere to collect and send information to us. Now let us look at this picture carefully. All of you please remember in which layer what is happening. So troposphere is the place here where people live. Okay. Aeroplanes here. Meteors falling in the Mesosphere. So this is Thermosphere. Right. Now let's move on. Watch the video.
Now let's watch a video.
The atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds Earth. Different things occur in the different layers of the atmosphere. Clouds form in the troposphere. Airplanes fly in the stratosphere. Meteors burn up in the mesosphere. Artificial satellites orbit in the thermosphere. Outer space begins from the exosphere.
So let us watch this video once again to remember what happens in which layer.
The atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds Earth. Different things occur in the different layers of the atmosphere. Clouds form in the troposphere.
Clouds form in the troposphere.
Airplanes fly in the stratosphere.
Airplanes fly in the stratosphere.
Meteors burn up in the mesosphere.
Meteors burn up in the mesosphere.
Artificial satellites orbit in the thermosphere.
Okay, artificial satellites.
Outer space begins from the exosphere.
Outer space from exosphere. Right? This information will be helpful for us to answer the questions. So remember this. Let's move on. In which part of the atmosphere is each action happening? The girl and her friends flying the kite are in the troposphere. The aeroplane is in the stratosphere. The meteor shower is happening in the mesosphere. The satellite is moving in the thermosphere. Okay. So this picture you are going to draw in your classwork or A4 sheet. Read it. What are the features of the atmosphere? The atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds the earth. It has 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Different activities can happen in each layer. As we move up the atmosphere, we go further away from the earth. Okay. How can we protect the atmosphere? The atmosphere is very important for all living things, and we should keep it clean by reducing air pollution. We can do this by planting more trees. Open your workbook, answer the worksheet, put today's date. Look at the atmosphere in this, label the atmosphere in this picture. So you label all the layers of the atmosphere, right? Starting with troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. In which layer correctly you check once again in content book if you have a doubt, and you mark it. Okay, the land there, above the land you write troposphere where clouds are there. Okay. Now second question, label the different layers of the atmosphere in the picture. Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, Thermosphere, Exosphere. So look at this picture and you label them. Okay, always if you have a doubt, refer to the pictures given in the content book. Third question, if you had to make a poster to save the environment, which two things would you include in it? Okay, reduce pollution is one thing, A1. B, plant more trees. Let's move on to the content book. Answer the questions in the content book. Put today's date in the content book. Practice questions. First one, why is the atmosphere important for Earth? Atmosphere is important for Earth because it helps all the living things to survive. Write one feature of each layer of atmosphere. So, write about all the layers and what happens in these layers. Okay, Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, okay, Thermosphere and Exosphere, what happens there you write. Third question, write a paragraph explaining why we should protect the atmosphere. In your paragraph, include some tips and advice that we should follow. Okay, why should we protect atmosphere? You write, okay, because it is the air around us, and how you can do it, you write. Next, that's all for now. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.